It looks like a baby robin. It can't fly. I don't know if it's hurt or if it just doesn't know how to fly. It's like stuck to the wall. I feel bad because it's gonna. This is probably really bad to chase a baby bird around. Hey, what up, my ninja? Little birdie, little birdie. Gonna get it out of under the car. Get it out from under the car before I go. Will it survive? I don't know. I'm not a bird expert. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone now. I will. Feel bad, kind of. Bye bye, birdie. Hop, hop, hop.